Hey guys, this is Maria from TreeWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to change Instagram story highlights covers. If you think that the cover that you have selected for your highlight doesn't make your Instagram feed look aesthetic, then keep in mind that you can easily change it. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile page, find the story highlight that cover you would like to change. Click on it. Once the story highlight window opens, press on the three dots icon in the bottom right corner. Select the Edit Highlight option from the pop-up menu. Tap Edit Cover. Now you can make one of your stories that is added into the highlight as a cover image. Or you can hit the gallery icon and choose an image from your camera roll. After that, click Next. When the highlights cover is selected, tap Done. One more time, Done. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to change Instagram story highlights covers. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TreeWaySocial.com.